The Toyota Proace II, produced from 2017 onward, features an onboard maintenance reminder system that monitors when your vehicle needs servicing. These service alerts are displayed on the vehicle's multi-information display, commonly called the MID. The system tracks maintenance needs based on factors like mileage driven, time elapsed, or engine operating hours. Resetting the service information clears these maintenance reminders after you've completed the required servicing. This prevents the vehicle from showing inaccurate or false alerts. In the following sections, we'll demonstrate how to perform this reset manually using the vehicle's controls. Resetting the service info prevents erroneous alerts that can cause unnecessary concern or unnecessary trips to the mechanic. Ignoring these reminders can lead to missed servicing, potentially affecting vehicle reliability and warranty coverage. Resetting ensures accurate tracking of maintenance intervals, keeping your vehicle's schedule up to date. It also prevents missed servicing that can complicate warranty claims and future vehicle ownership. Always reset the service info after completing the required maintenance to keep everything accurate and up to date. Before starting the reset procedure, ensure the ignition is in the on position with the engine off. This provides power to the dashboard without starting the vehicle. Next, locate the arrow buttons on your steering wheel or dashboard. These buttons will be used to navigate through the multi-information display menu. Finally, confirm that you have completed the necessary maintenance, such as oil change or inspection, before resetting the service info to avoid inaccurate reminders. Use the arrow buttons on the steering wheel or dashboard to navigate the multi-information display menu. Continue navigating until you find the Service or Maintenance option in the menu. Once Service or Maintenance is highlighted, press and hold the OK or Reset button. Hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. The display will show Reset Complete or a similar confirmation message when the reset is successful. Finally, turn the ignition to off, then back to on to verify that the maintenance reminder has been reset. If the reset fails, ensure the ignition is correctly positioned and the button is held long enough. A weak battery can also cause reset failures. If problems persist, consider using an OBD2 scanner for a more thorough reset. Remember, aftermarket modifications might interfere with the system. For Proace II models equipped with Toyota's MyT app, introduced in 2025, you can perform a maintenance reset using your smartphone. This provides an alternative to manual dashboard resets for connected vehicles. First, check your vehicle's documentation to confirm if your Proace II model supports app-based resets. Not all variants may have this connectivity feature. Download and open the Toyota MyT app on your smartphone. The app interfaces directly with your vehicle's systems for maintenance management. Once connected, navigate to the Maintenance section in the app. The interface will guide you through selecting the type of reset needed. The app may offer partial reset options, allowing you to clear specific maintenance reminders without resetting all timers. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. When manual reset methods are unsuccessful, advanced diagnostics require an OBD2 scanner. These tools provide deeper access to the vehicle's systems. Compatible scanners include Toyota TechStream for official diagnostics, or generic ELM327 devices for basic functions. First, locate the OBD2 port, typically found under the dashboard on the driver's side. Connect the scanner's OBD2 connector to the vehicle's port. Ensure a secure connection. Power on the scanner and follow its on-screen instructions to establish communication with the vehicle's ECU. Navigate to the Maintenance Reminders menu within the scanner's interface. Reset the maintenance reminders and use the scanner to diagnose any error codes for comprehensive vehicle health assessment. Important considerations for resetting service info on your Toyota Proace II include always consulting your owner's manual for model-specific instructions. Future models may feature enhanced AI-driven predictive maintenance, helping anticipate service needs before they become issues. Automated resets could be performed via cloud syncing, making maintenance tracking seamless and automatic. Stay updated on software updates to prevent false service reminders and ensure your vehicle's systems work correctly. By following these guidelines, you can maintain your Toyota Proace II effectively and stay ahead of future advancements in vehicle maintenance.